position and your lights come out. Now, to actually use one of these, to actually prime one of these systems is very, very simple. I won't actually go through the actual procedure completely, but briefly, all you need to do, let's clear myself a bit of room. All you need to do is to get, let's show you. You get your funnel there. You better get the right colour out just to make sure as well. There we go. So we get our yellow ink. We can fill our the entire 60 millilitres of Lyson professional ink here. We pour that all the way in, right up to the top there. It comes up to about here. We then top up this one, and then the next one, and then the next one, all with different funnels. Put our funnels away to be cleaned out for future use, and we can throw away our bottles of ink. What we then do is we take our cartridges. So all of this is full of ink. All we need to do now is to take our syringes. Let's take a syringe out. And in the case of the yellow, we simply pull out the little, we simply pull out the little bung. Now let's get a little piece of, a little screwdriver. That'll make life a lot easier for me. Let's just go get my screwdriver. That's fine. Where are we? There's nothing like actually showing you things live. So that's a little flat bladed screwdriver, and that makes life a lot easier to actually get the little bung out. So there's the filling bung. Now let's go closer to the camera so you can see what I've just done. I've taken out the filling bung here, and what we do is we put the syringe into the filling bung, and we can withdraw the syringe, and the ink that's in the bottom here will be drawn up into the cartridge, and we withdraw it out until we see the first little bit of ink actually appear there. As soon as we see that first little bit of ink appear, we can take that out and we can put the filling bung back in, and there's our cartridge ready filled up. Now we repeat that process with the next one and the next one and the next one. Now we supply a fresh syringe for each one of these channels, so that's easy. And then finally, all you need to do is to install your system into the machine. You simply move the carriage across to the ink change position, take out the Epson cartridges, you can put the new cartridges in, and you go from there. For the actual finer points of installation, obviously you look at our instructions, but notice on this system what a nice setup this is. You've got a clip to hold your tubing on the top of the printer. You've got the second little ski jump arrangement here, and that just sticks on the top of the printer, and as you can see it curls down underneath there, and it fits into where the cartridges used to go. On these printers we always take out the lid that used to be there, and on our instructions we have a nice little method of just unclipping the lid and taking the lid off. Now, as usual with all of our systems, we pride ourselves on a service, after-sales service, that's second to none. So if there's any worries that you have prior to buying one of these systems, or indeed using the refillable cartridges, or once you've bought the system and you're settling down to using, you can contact us at any time. My email address is john@marrott.com, and we can answer any of your queries on these systems. Remember, we're going to get you to a professional standard of imaging, and we're going to save you a fortune. We're going to save you, it's approximately 1/5 of the price now. So these A4 prints using the brand ink set will cost you around £1 per print. Using a Lyson professional ink set, this will cost you a fifth of that price, so it's less than 20 pence per A4 print. Thanks very much for watching.